In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Gmail filter. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your emails more effectively. Filters can sometimes become outdated or unnecessary. Understanding how to remove them is essential for maintaining an organized inbox. Let's get started. First, open Gmail. To do this, go to your preferred web browser. Type in the address for Gmail, which is gmail.com. Once you are on the Gmail homepage, log in with your account details if you aren't already signed in. You will see your inbox filled with emails. This is where you can start managing your filters. Having your Gmail open is crucial as it allows you to access all settings and features directly. Next, open Settings by clicking the gear icon. This gear icon is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several options for customizing your Gmail experience. Selecting the Settings option is important because it is the gateway to all the features you will use to manage your filters and preferences. From there, click on See All Settings. This option is usually found at the top of the drop-down menu. When you click it, you will be taken to a new page with multiple tabs. Each tab contains different settings for your Gmail account. This step is essential as it opens up all the detailed settings you need to navigate to find your filters. Now, open the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. You will find this option along the top of the settings page. Clicking on it will take you to a dedicated section where all your filters are displayed. This is where you can manage which emails you want to filter in or out of your inbox. Understanding this section is key to keeping your email organized and ensuring you don't miss important messages. At this point, locate the filter you want to remove. You will see a list of all the filters you have created. Each filter will have a description that tells you what it does. Take your time to find the specific filter that no longer serves its purpose. Identifying the correct filter is crucial because deleting the wrong one could affect your email management. Next up, click Delete beside the filter. You will find this option right next to the filter you selected. Clicking Delete will prompt a confirmation, which is a vital step. This action tells Gmail that you want to remove this filter from your account. It's essential to be sure at this stage because once you delete it, you cannot retrieve it unless you recreate it. After that, click OK to delete the filter permanently. A confirmation box will appear, asking if you are sure about your choice. By clicking OK, you are finalizing the deletion of the filter. This step is important because it ensures that your filter is removed from your account completely. You will then see a brief message confirming that the filter has been deleted. With these steps completed, you have successfully deleted a Gmail filter. This process helps keep your inbox clean and allows you to manage your emails more efficiently. Remember, regularly reviewing your filters can save you time and hassle in the long run. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.